Welcome back to the channel. So in this amazing video I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT in your day-to-day life as a designer. So my name is Shubham. I'm a Canva verified expert. So let's dive in amazing cool stuff right into this video now. So as you can see here, we are on our laptop screen. So if you are not familiar with the ChatGPT, then you can just go to on the Google and search for the ChatGPT, and you can see this amazing landing page where it will ask you to create an account. So just create an account and you will be ended up on this page. So this is kind of amazing tool for everyone. So as a designer, how we can use it and leverage most out of it. So the first use case, I think, so when we are working on any design project, so we need a copy which we want to add into our design. So sometimes it will be more creative we want, so then the ChatGPT is really helpful for you as a copywriter. So I will crafted one prompts for you according to the use cases. So the first one is writing copy. So when you just simply copy this prompt and paste it over here, okay, just so here I am taking the coffee shop design reference. So you can take any other design. Suppose if you are creating any travel agency design, or if you are creating ads for any other your client project, so you can just change here this copy shop design to any other design you like and just hit enter. I have crafted it like this, so it will be generate amazing copy for your design project, which you can directly copy paste, and you can also criticize and critique that according to your preference. So as you can see, I have divided our copy of our design as a main heading, sub heading, and detailed text. Detailed text contain about the contact detail, business names, and some of the other information you want to include here. So you can add it in the detailed text. So as you can see here, I have mentioned including website and contact info. If you want to add any other thing in your detailed text, then you can modify it here, so it will be generated according to that. And a single call to action which help people to hook our customers, so start shipping. So this is very helpful when it comes to creating design. So designers are got confused what kind of copy we need to use. So I am doing a great job as I am thinking for you. Like you can just simply paste it, change the design requirement what you have, and it will generate amazing copy for you. And you can do it couple of times and generate the amazing copy for your design projects. So the another use case is, suppose if you are a beginner in design, then you want someone to provide the feedback how you are designing. So you can also ask me into the Instagram. So here you can see our Instagram handle, and you can follow me and stay connected with there. So you can also directly DM me there your design. I will definitely provide you the quick feedback. And so I have also provide you one prompt which helpful for you to check your design in terms of score, so how you are performing. So I have creating this amazing design. I have created this amazing design for Tiwari season sale. So as you can see over here, so I'm just took the screenshot of this design. Just I'm take the screenshot of it, just copy this and go to ChatGPT and select the cursor and just Control V to add my image in this. Okay, and now I am adding my prompt which I have crafted for you. So you can directly copy this. I have also provided you the link in the description, so you can download this document. So I'm just copy this prompt and paste it into my ChatGPT here and just send it. So it will analyze my design. What are the good things in this design have, like strength. If you have done a great job as a designer, then people definitely appreciate you. So I have crafted this prompt according to that. So it will appreciate you first and provide you the strength, what is the good things you have in your design, and the suggestion how you can improve this design. So as you can see, the logo visibility, contrast, white balance, these are the mistakes I have done here. But sometimes it will kind of if you are feel your design looks great, then go with it, or it is depend on your client. So client is asking for to change again and again, then you need to so as you can see, and at the end it will provide the rating or the kind of a score of my design. So as you can see, 10 out of 8.5 I receive for this design. By doing some minimal changes, I will convert it to 10 out of 10. So yeah, you can see, and you can get the feedback if you are learning about how to design in Canva or any other thing. So you can just add your design, add the prompt, and voila, it will provide you the detailed feedback which help you to improve you. So that's it, you can use it as a design feedback or a mentor. So another use case is when you are learning phase in design. So if you want to learn a new concept or something which you want to learn in an interactive way, so I have also crafted one prompt for you as a design educator. So yeah, when you add this prompt, just Control C and paste it over here, Control V, and you can just insert the topic. Here you can see this. I've also bold this over here. Let me hold this so you can got to know. And this one is copy shop. So these things you need to change according to your preferences. So I'm now learning about the layouts in design. So I'm just put the topic name layout in design, and yeah, I'm just hit enter. So it will help me to learn about that particular topic which is specifically in design. So as you can see, it is what is the layout design, and it is also include the example and key terms related to that particular thing. And it will also ask you some couple of questions. So when you read this right, and you will try to answer this question, so it will move to the next section. So it will not provide you the lot of knowledge in one go. So when you answer this question, it will help you to answer this question as well, but when you have correctly, then it will move to the next question. So it's kind of an interactive way of learning with the AI. So I also do learn a couple of things with the help of AI in terms of design and all. So that is the great tool. If you are learning design and want to learn any new concept, then definitely use this prompt to learn things. This is for this amazing tutorial, guys. Possibility is endless when it comes to the AI tools. So I am also try to making one series where I'm going to help you to how to leverage this modern day AI tools in your day-to-day design process. So yeah, this is 3 use cases. I will come in the next part of this video where I will help you to more use cases as a designer. You can leverage the ChatGPT and any other AI tool which makes your design process more smoother and help you to make more productive designer. So that's it for this video. Hope you learned something new. If you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care of yourself. Tata and bye bye. See you into this next amazing video.